Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make creamy coleslaw. Start by shredding cabbage and carrots finely, then salt briefly to draw out water and squeeze dry. Whisk mayonnaise, vinegar, a touch of sugar, Dijon mustard, and black pepper until smooth and balanced. Toss vegetables with dressing gently to coat without crushing. Taste and adjust acidity or sweetness, then chill to let flavors meld before serving with your favorite sandwich or picnic dish. Whisking a smooth dressing is the heart of creamy coleslaw, so measure ingredients and taste as you go to avoid overpowering acidity. Combine mayonnaise, vinegar, Dijon, a small amount of sugar or honey, salt, and black pepper, then thin slightly with a splash of milk if needed. Keep flavors balanced, creamy, tangy, and mildly sweet. Store dressings separately if you plan to make slaw in advance to keep crunch. If you're enjoying this creamy coleslaw guide, please subscribe and like. It really helps the channel grow. Quick recommendation. On another note, I love the book The Simple Path to Wealth because it simplifies money decisions, which pairs well with simplifying your kitchen routine. Check the description for the link and other deals. Grab a copy if you want a compact financial roadmap, and now let's get back to the video. When mixing, fold the dressing in with a light hand to maintain crispness and avoid wilting vegetables. Let the assembled slaw rest chilled so flavors marry and textures relax, which improves the overall bite. For best quality, serve within 24 hours and keep refrigerated in an airtight container. Garnish with fresh herbs or a sprinkle of celery seed for extra aroma and crunch when plating for salads, sandwiches, or barbecues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.